Hello traders, welcome back. Today we will review Daytrade Pro Algo. Rating is 5 stars. AR published on the 2nd of May 2023. Read reviews by yourself. Here's live signal that shows his performance. 72% growth in 63 weeks. Maximum drawdown is 15%. Profit trade is 74%. Best trade is €57. And worst trade is €105. We will sell these in just $15 to $25. Visit us on Telegram for more information.